Welcome to episode 13 of Digital Transformation Foundations, Building a Future-Ready Organization. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to building an agile and innovative powerhouse that thrives in perpetual change, turning disruption into a competitive advantage. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team.
By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a complete toolkit for lasting transformation. This includes proven frameworks, strategic agility, a deep understanding of transformation DNA, and the path to achieving long-term competitive advantage. This course is designed for senior leaders, managers, and change agents. It provides CEOs and VPs with clarity, managers with execution tools, and internal champions with the knowledge to drive adoption and energize their organizations. Your journey progresses through 5 key stages: understanding the imperative, assessing readiness, building the framework, activating change, and sustaining and scaling. This ensures your strategy is grounded in reality and built for durability. We live in an era of permanent disruption, with technology cycles compressing and threats emerging unexpectedly. The question is no longer if your industry will be disrupted, but whether your organization will lead or be undone by it. Organizations that resist change lose market share, experience talent drain, and react to industry shifts. Those that embrace transformation create new revenue streams, attract top talent, and define the future of their industries on their own terms. Chapter 1 focuses on understanding continuous transformation. It is not a project with a deadline, but a permanent organizational capability to sense change, respond with intention, and evolve deliberately. Transformation differs fundamentally from change management. Change management is project-based and reactive. Led by a team, transformation is ongoing, proactive, embedded in culture, and led by everyone. Future-ready organizations manage across 3 simultaneous time horizons. Horizon 1, optimize the core business. Horizon 2, expand with adjacent capabilities. And Horizon 3, explore breakthrough innovation for tomorrow's business model. Most transformations fail due to 4 key reasons. These include no clear vision, top-down implementation only, ignoring culture, and short-term thinking that kills long-term investments. Chapter 2 is about assessing your organization's readiness. Building a future-ready organization requires an honest, precise assessment of your current standing, making your strategy credible and executable. True readiness spans 5 interconnected dimensions: strategic clarity, cultural alignment, technology foundation, talent and capabilities, and the operating model. Gaps in any dimension can stall the entire transformation. Use this diagnostic framework to score your organization's readiness from strong to critical gap across each dimension. This provides clarity on where to focus and helps identify immediate transformation priorities. Chapter 3 covers building the transformation framework. A future-ready organization relies on a deliberate framework, not improvised crisis responses. This chapter introduces the elements for sustainable and repeatable transformation. The future-ready framework consists of 6 interdependent elements: vision and purpose, agile structure, digital capability, adaptive culture, data intelligence, and ecosystem thinking. The goal is coherence across all 6 simultaneously. Element 1 is vision and purpose. A compelling vision creates the emotional energy that sustains effort through difficulty. It must be ambitious yet credible, connect customer impact to purpose, and be owned by leaders who model it. Element 2 is agile organizational structure. Agile structures are designed for speed, not stability. This includes small, empowered teams, decentralized decisions, and dynamic resource allocation, where talent and budget flow to the highest value opportunities. Element 3 is digital capability. This is about having the right technology, deeply integrated into operations. Key aspects are a strong data infrastructure, automation and AI, seamless digital customer channels, and built-in cybersecurity and resilience. Element 4 is adaptive culture. An adaptive culture, in a digital world, determines if your strategy succeeds. It is characterized by psychological safety, a learning orientation, customer obsession, and collaborative energy. Element 5 is data intelligence, the nervous system of the organization. It involves data collection, data analysis, predictive intelligence to forecast trends, and automated action to make the organization self-optimizing. Element 6 is ecosystem thinking, which extends beyond your 4 walls. Future-ready organizations win through strategic alliances, open innovation, platform participation, and customer co-creation, amplifying their capabilities. Chapter 4 covers strategic agility, moving at the speed of change. Strategic agility is the capacity to sense shifts early, make confident decisions under uncertainty, and swiftly redirect resources and effort. Agility operates in a continuous loop: sense signals, interpret data, decide quickly, and act and learn. The speed and quality of this loop are strategic competencies that must be measured and improved over time. Building strategic sensing capabilities is crucial. This involves market intelligence systems, continuous customer listening programs, and innovation scout networks to identify emerging trends before they hit the mainstream. Decision velocity is key to agility. Achieve it through disciplined decisiveness by defining clear decision rights, separating one-way from two-way doors, and establishing explicit decision time boxes. Chapter 5 is about embedding transformation into your DNA. The goal is to make adaptability a permanent, self-reinforcing capability, moving from doing transformation to being transformation. A future-ready organization builds a transformation operating system, or TOS, running in parallel with the business operating system. The TOS includes the rituals and routines necessary to drive continuous transformation. Psychological safety is the shared belief that a team is safe for interpersonal risk-taking. Leaders build it by modeling vulnerability, responding to bad news with curiosity, and protecting those who raise uncomfortable truths. A culture of continuous learning is built by institutionalizing learning rituals like retrospectives. It requires investing in upskilling, building knowledge-sharing infrastructure, and rewarding learning, not just results. Leadership's role in sustained transformation is critical. Leaders must model the change, protect the long-term vision from short-term pressures, and deliberately develop the next generation of change agents at every level. Welcome to Chapter 6, Building Long-Term Competitive Advantage. Sustainable competitive advantage is built on the accumulated capability to outlearn, outadapt, and out-innovate competitors consistently, year after year. This chapter shows you how to compound that advantage deliberately. In the digital age, where technology can be copied quickly, the most durable advantages are organizational. They live in capabilities, relationships, and culture that take years to build and are nearly impossible to replicate. These include proprietary processes, deep customer relationships, and exceptional talent ecosystems. What gets measured gets managed, and transformation is no exception. Future-ready organizations track a balanced portfolio of leading and lagging indicators across 4 key categories to measure transformation progress. Innovation without scale is just experimentation. Scaling what works involves a systematic 4-step process. Pilot, validate, codify the winning approach, and scale it across the organization to sustain results. Chapter 7, Activating Change, From Strategy to Action. The most sophisticated transformation strategy is worthless without execution. This chapter gives you the practical tools to move from insight to action immediately and sustainably. The first 90 days set the tone for everything. Use the transformation sprint framework. Days 1 to 30 for listening and alignment. Days 31 to 60 for mobilization and launching pilots. And days 61 to 90 for measuring results and adjusting based on evidence. Resistance is information to understand, not a problem to eliminate. Leaders should engage resistance with curiosity. Acknowledge concerns, connect change to personal benefit, invest in enablement, and involve resistors early to build durable commitment. No transformation leader can drive change alone. Build a coalition of champions by identifying early adopters, giving them visibility and publicly celebrating their work, and equipping them with the resources they need to lead change in their areas. Transformation communication is a sustained, multi-channel, two-way dialogue. Tell the story vividly using narrative, create dialogue to gather critical intelligence, and celebrate progress loudly to inspire others and make change contagious. The greatest threat to transformation is the energy dip that occurs 6 to 18 months in. Anticipate the valley of despair and build re-energization mechanisms into your transformation operating system to sustain momentum over the long arc. Disruption is not the enemy, stagnation is. Organizations that build future readiness don't just survive disruption. They use it as a forcing function to make the bold moves they should have made sooner and claim a new advantage. Transformation compounds. Each capability built makes the next one easier. Organizations that start building future readiness today gain a compounding advantage that becomes nearly impossible to replicate in 5 years, driving faster growth and higher performance. Avoid common pitfalls, such as treating technology as the only solution, underinvesting in people's capabilities, and declaring victory too early before new behaviors are truly embedded into the culture. For change agents without positional authority, the playbook includes building credibility through results, making the case in business terms, finding allies, and running small, high-value experiments to prove success. In closing, future readiness is a choice, made daily, at every level of your organization. It is not a destination you arrive at, but a discipline you practice. Thank you for watching this video on building a future-ready organization.